And Jesus said unto the centurion, Go thy way, and as thou hast believed, so be it done unto thee. And his servant was healed in the self-same hour. May God bless you. Amen. Tin isuan si preza hotu hena chuan kalto ro irin angin ichunga lo thleng ro se ati a ti chuan no pang chu medar nge ya chuan alo dam ta a kan rin angin kan chunga alo thleng lalpan mal som se ro se. Amen.